Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of February, 2025, our system has identified SoFi as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.17. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of 23.05%. This equates to an average decline of 1.92% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend down. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but false breaks and sell-offs may occur. Nevertheless, a further decline seems realistic, and any rebounds back to the breaking point of $14.36 are seen as a second opportunity to exit. According to the fan theory, $11.48 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is far too early to say this with certainty. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -8.37% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 5.71% to 26.90%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 133.84%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 131.72% to 262.84% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $28.85 and $45.17. Our latest daily update for SoFi reveals a significant change. SoFi's stock price declined more than 7.3% on Thursday, closing at $12.45. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, the SoFi stock price dropped by 7.3%, falling from $13.43 to $12.45. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 6.77%, reaching a low of $12.41 and a high of $13.25. Notably, the price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 19.99% for this period. Although volume increased by 8 million shares on the last day, it occurred amidst falling prices, which could serve as an early warning sign, slightly raising the risk for the coming days. In total, 49 million shares exchanged hands for about $609,140,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $18.42, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price sits 32.41%, or $5.97, below the 52-week high, and 55.94%, or $15.81, below the all-time high recorded on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies is making significant strides to decrease its business risk, a move that bodes well for investors. The company has recently reported impressive growth in membership, net revenue, and adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, showcasing its strong performance despite market consolidation. Notably, SoFi announced a substantial loan securitization of $697,600,000 aimed at minimizing balance sheet risk and enhancing revenue stability. As the stock trades below $15, down about 10% over the last 3 months, some analysts are questioning whether now is the time to buy on the dip. However, SoFi's strategy to diversify and reduce reliance on traditional lending signals an important shift that could stabilize its stock price in the long term. With over 10 million members and an expanding range of product offerings, SoFi's financial technology platform positions it well in the burgeoning fintech landscape. The recent partnership with Blue Owl Capital Funds highlights its commitment to boosting fee-based revenue, which can further enhance investor confidence. In the short term, volatility may persist due to macroeconomic factors, including recent tariffs impacting stocks across the board. However, in the long run, SoFi's digital innovations and growth trajectory could lead to enhanced valuations, suggesting a favorable outlook for its stock price as it continues to mature in the market. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 14, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, January 3, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SOFI a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 19, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, December 10, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SOFI a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 9, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI an underperform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SoFi stock is exhibiting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two averages indicates a sell signal, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at levels of $13.65 and $15.41. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 26.02%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that might pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence. Sell signal. Pivots. Sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal from 4 days ago. Short-term moving average. Sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average. Sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 22 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average. Sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 130 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 84 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 6.77%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.90%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, let's look at the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, typically found in companies with established track records or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 4 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $13.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of February, 2025, Keo Kelly executed an insider sale of 9,185 shares of common stock. On the 14th of February, 2025, Schopenhauer Eric completed an insider sale of 111,461 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Schopenhauer Eric also conducted an insider purchase of 111,461 shares of common stock. On the 19th of February, 2025, Schopenhauer Eric carried out an insider sale of 31,366 shares of common stock. On the 14th of February, 2025, Pinto Arun executed an insider sale of 45,389 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 57.952. Overall, insiders purchased 9,296,196 shares and sold 33,591,610 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is SOFI stock a good buy? SOFI presents several negative signals and is currently experiencing a downward trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, March 7th, we expect SOFI to open higher by approximately 25 cents and begin trading at $12.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.